Assalamualaikum. Today, we will be presenting about the firefighting system and the electricity supply system in the estate management department building.
First off, a fire extinguisher is a handheld active fire protection device usually filled with a dry or wet chemical used to extinguish or control small fires, often in emergency. The type of fire extinguisher that we found in estate management building is ABC dry powder. ABC dry powder fire extinguisher is commonly used for fire class A, class B, class C, and class E. Methods on how to use fire extinguisher is by using pass method: pull, aim, squeeze, and swipe. There are also different types of fire extinguisher with different color code. Red is for water, blue is for dry powder, beige is for foam, black is for carbon dioxide, yellow is for wet chemical.
A hose reel is a device used to hold and store a hose in a neat and safe way. It usually has a round drum that the hose wraps around. This helps keep the hose organized, prevents it from getting twisted, and make it easier to pull out and use whenever needed. Reels are used to make work safer and more convenient. They help store hoses or cables neatly, keep the area clean, and stop people from tripping over loose hoses. Reels also protect the hose from damage and make it last longer. There are three common types of hose reels, which are fixed manual hose reels, swinging manual hose reels, and recessed manual hose reels.
A distribution board is a component of an electricity supply system that divides an electrical power feed into subsidiary circuits while providing a protective fuse or circuit breaker for each circuit in a common enclosure. Function of distribution board is for electrical protection, easy access, and control over the electrical circuits. Here's another example of distribution box that we found in an estate management building.
Alarm detection is a system designed to sense danger and warn people before a situation becomes serious. It uses different sensors to detect signs of problems like smoke, heat, gas leak, or movement. When the system notices something unusual, it quickly sends a signal through sounds, lights, or alerts so everyone can react and stay safe. There are several types of alarm detection system. Smoke detectors sense smoke in the air, while heat detectors respond when temperatures rise too high. Gas detectors can identify harmful gases, and motion detectors are used for security by sensing movement. Some systems also use flame detectors to spot open flames. Each type is created to detect a specific kind of danger and provide early warning. The main function of alarm detection is to protect people and property. The system gives early alerts, help prevent accidents, and guide people to safety during emergencies. They also support emergency teams by giving them quick information about the danger. Overall, alarm detection plays an important role in keeping buildings and the people inside them safe.
As a future quantity surveyor or construction professional, we can promote sustainability in M&E system by choosing energy efficient option, suggest LED lighting, efficient HVAC system, and renewable energy such as solar panels. Doing life cycle cost analysis by comparing long-term energy and maintain costs, not just the initial price. Next, by recommending sustainable materials by selecting equipment with good energy rating and low environmental impact. Lastly, by including green requirement in tenders, by ensuring contractors to follow eco-friendly practices and use efficient M&E requirement.
Building professionals have an ethical responsibility to promote sustainable practice in M&E system because their choice have a long-term effect on the environment and on the people who use the building. They regulate a building's energy consumption, waste production, and level of safety and health. When they choose sustainable options, they are not just following standards, they are doing the right thing for the community and for future generations. For example, installing an energy-efficient HVAC system can significantly reduce electricity consumption while still keeping the building comfortable for everyone.